What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money on Facebook for free. Now, we all use Facebook. We use it to message people. We use it to keep in contact with others. We use it just to post random crap, right? Well, there's actually a use for Facebook that can make you some money, and I want to show you how you can do that, all right? So first thing I just want to ask is, if you're enjoying my videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. But let's jump into it, all right? So the first thing you gotta understand is, number one, Facebook, you do not need ads. A lot of people are getting stuck on the whole assumption that they have to run ads on Facebook to make money. Now, I want to clear something up. If you want to make money today, you want to make money, a lot of money, and you want to make it fast, advertising is the way to go. But it's also a very risky business because you can put your money up, you can risk it, and get nothing in return. So what I want to show you is how to make money without spending any money for ads, and also how to use Facebook. That's the whole point, all right? So here's what I want to show you. Now, I typed in keto just because I like keto, okay? It's one of the things I do it 5 days a week, and Saturdays and Sundays I'm not on a keto diet. So keto, what I just went up to Facebook, and up here in the search bar I typed in keto, and then from there there's all these different tabs up here. I clicked on groups. See it right here, right? So there's all these different groups, and you would need to join. You don't gotta join every single one. I join the ones that are more popular. This one has 700,000 members. I joined that one and that one and this one and that one and that one and that. Anyway, okay, you get the point. I joined a bunch of these. Now, I'm not saying you have to do keto, but what I'm saying is join a group that is around your topic. Now, let me explain what I mean. So essentially what I'm going to show you inside this video is how you take traffic from Facebook and you funnel that traffic over to some type of opt-in, some type of landing page, some type of affiliate offer. Okay, I'm telling you how to make money for free. You don't need a product, you don't need a service, you don't need anything. You can make money through affiliate marketing, all right? Now, the way this works is we're going to take that traffic from Facebook, send them over to a product, or maybe it's a service, but it's not something you provide. And if they buy that, great, okay? But here's the catch. Here's where most people just fall off the whole bandwagon and don't want to make money. But it's really easy to do as long as you're consistent and willing to put in the work. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We're taking people from a Facebook group, we're sending them, okay, we're going to message them, we're going to comment, we're going to try to get them to respond back. So in most cases, that would be a Facebook direct message. We will go and contact the person. We'll click on their name. We'll send them a message and ask them if they need help. We'll ask them, or you'll talk to them. Hey, I saw that you were struggling with your keto diet, because you don't like to eat meat. Okay. Well, let me help you out. Okay. Let me show you what you can do. Let me talk to you about what some people are doing and what's working for them. From there, that is where you're answering questions. You're just helping them out. Okay? Help. You see it right there. Now, after that, somewhere in the direct message, you're going to put a link to an affiliate offer. Okay? And I'm going to show you 2 places where you can get some of these offers. Well, actually 3. And that's where you can start making money. So, let me show you kind of what I mean. So, we're over on Facebook, right? Now, I'm not going to click join because number 1, I'm going to have to wait to join these groups. And number 2, I'm not going to show you the groups I am in because I don't want to have to compete with you, all right? Pretty simple. You probably understand. Now, so that's why I'm not going to click join. But let's say I was in this group right here, and I found, Frank. He's a member inside the group. I would click on his name and send him a message, and I would help him out. So let's say Frank is struggling to get to lose weight because he's not sure what to really eat or drink or how to function throughout the day. Well, one of the things I could do is I could send him a link. Okay, you can see up here my Amazon Associate site stripe. So I am an Amazon associate. I could click text, and it would provide Frank a link to this exact page. And anything he buys from Amazon within the next 24 hours, I would get credited with the sale. I would make a commission. Now, you're not going to make a lot of money doing this. Okay, so I don't recommend just posting stuff over to Amazon. But there are 2 other sites that you can use, and I'm going to show you those in a second. But let's say I send Frank over here, say, hey Frank, I see you're struggling. Let me just talk to you about, it's called the Big Book of Keto Diet Cooking. You may love it, you may like it. I highly recommend it. Maybe it's something that you've actually read. Don't promote something if you haven't read it, used it, or tried it. Okay, make sure you can actually give your honest feedback of the product or of the service, because it makes it easier to sell, but also they're gonna be more likely to buy through a link that you're recommending again if they had some type of benefit from it in the first place. All right, so let's say I recommend that, and it's $15. Let's say I make, I don't know how much I make off a paperback book, not a lot. Let's say I make 5%. Okay, I'm not gonna make a lot of money, but let's say I make, was it 75 cents? Something like that. I don't know, somewhere right around there. Or I could send them to a page that looks like this, where this is actually over on Clickbank.com, which you can go to Clickbank.com, sign up. It's free to sign up, free to use. Okay, so that is this one right here. So every time somebody buys this, okay, I'm gonna scroll down the bottom of the page. I'm not sure how much it actually costs, but you scroll down here. So you get all these bonuses, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, whatever, 5. Okay, ready to go. Starting at $29. So they get all that information, 100% satisfaction guarantee, 60-day refund policy. You can see it right there. And I'm going to make $10.70 off every single sale. Now, wouldn't that be great, right? You send somebody from Facebook over to this page, they watch the video. Okay, the sound's off. Okay, but they go and watch this video and see how they did it and all this stuff. Okay, again, I'm not going on about it, but they go and buy it. Well, Clickbank's gonna go and pay you $10.70 for every single sale that you refer to this page. So it's all free traffic. If you get, let's say, one person a day, and you're gonna make $10.70 every single day, that's pretty good to just help, right? Because then they're probably gonna ask you, well, okay, I bought that cookbook, I really liked it, but I'm struggling to find this product. I'm struggling to find this certain sugar or this whatever. Oh, you are? Well, here, let me show you the one that I use. It's over on Amazon. It's $13, and you provide a link. Simple, right? All right, so that's one way to do that. But if you don't want to join a group, send the members a message, direct message to help them out, and then answer their questions, okay, then this whole strategy, this whole video is going to do you no good. But if you're willing to do that, the next thing, the next step, the progression in this business is, okay, I made $10 on a sale from that one person, okay, but now I'm not making any money. What can I do? Well, what you could do is, when you answer those questions, send them over to your Facebook group, your private Facebook group, which is free to join, which you can have a bunch of documents, a bunch of other people helping out each other, doing the exact same thing that you just did, okay? But it's inside your group, because now you can promote inside your group. Because if you try to promote inside a free Facebook group, you have 768,000 people, chances are one promotion, you're kicked out. But if you actually go into the DMs, go help people out, you're not going to get kicked out, all right? As long as you're helping. Don't spam people with a bunch of crap and links. Actually help them out. Be genuine. Listen to their problems and give them a solution, okay? A solution sometimes means you're going to make money. Other times, maybe it's just you help out. There's nothing you can promote. There's nothing you can recommend, but you're going to help somebody out, all right? And that's one of the things you need to do. You got to help people out if you want to make money. So let me show you a couple other things. Okay, I talked about Amazon. Okay, you can promote products over on Amazon. You can also promote products here on Clickbank. Okay, clickbank.com. There's another one. It's called jbzoo.com. You see it right here, jbzoo.com. Okay, go sign up for all these because they can help you make money. So again, one of the questions I know I'm going to get, I get it pretty much every video that I create on how to make money using a certain topic, but it's okay, I don't know anything about keto. What can I do? Well, let's say you know stuff about woodworking. You can promote stuff on Amazon that's going to be used for a woodworking person. woodworker. It's going to be, you can find stuff over on Clickbank. I know you can. Let's say you don't know anything about woodworking, but you know how to sew. Okay, you can find sewing supplies over on Amazon. You can find courses and guides over on Clickbank. Let's say you're going to talk about network marketing. You can do planners and a bunch of different like stuff for marketers over on Amazon. More like office style stuff, new computer, new video equipment, all this stuff. On Clickbank, they got a lot of courses. Over on JVZoo, I know they got a bunch of stuff. There's things over on other platforms as well. I'm not getting to those. If you've tried JVZoo, tried Clickbank, but they don't have what you need, let me know down in the comment section below what niche, be a general niche, don't be very specific, what general niche you're in, and I'll try to find some type of affiliate offer you can promote. All right? Or you can send me a message over on Facebook. Go to facebook.com/homemade entrepreneur. Message me there and I'll help you out there as well. But the whole point behind this strategy is, number one, you're on Facebook already. There's millions of people on Facebook. Why not use the traffic from Facebook and drive it over to something that's going to make you money? Now, the strategy that I showed you, okay, right here, this strategy without this part is going to be dependent on your time. You have to put in the time answering the questions, finding the people's questions, DMing them, and then really answering them, getting into the nitty-gritty of their problem here before you send them an affiliate link. Don't just blast them with affiliate links. Now, if you want to make money and it's not tied to your time, then I'd recommend a Facebook group. And additionally to a Facebook group, I'd recommend you find some type of affiliate offer that offers a recurring commission. That means every single month you're making money as long as they're a member. And that's usually something like a monthly subscription. Could be something like some type of service business. But again, all these things are usually monthly. All right. So if you have questions on how to make money on Facebook for free, pretty much for beginners, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you any way I can. But if you enjoyed today's video, like always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.